For homeowners in Mandeville, finding the right window style for homes with narrow exterior walls can be a challenge. Limited wall depth and tighter structural spaces often restrict the types of windows that can be installed effectively. Fortunately, double-hung windows offer a practical and versatile solution. Their compact design, functional features, and adaptability make them an excellent choice for homes where space is at a premium. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their vertical operation. Unlike casement or awning windows that open outward, double-hung windows slide up and down within the frame. This means they do not require additional exterior clearance, making them ideal for narrow wall sections or areas close to walkways, patios, or neighboring structures. In Mandeville homes, where space constraints can vary, this feature allows homeowners to maximize functionality without compromising layout. Another important benefit is their compact frame design. Double-hung windows are built to fit neatly within tighter openings, making them well-suited for walls with limited depth. This makes them a reliable option for older homes or properties with unique architectural constraints. Instead of modifying the structure to fit a larger or more complex window style, homeowners can install double-hung windows that work seamlessly with the existing design. Ventilation is another key advantage, even in narrow wall spaces. Double-hung windows allow both the top and bottom sashes to open, creating a natural airflow system. Cool air enters through the lower opening while warm air escapes through the top. In Mandeville's humid climate, this type of ventilation is especially valuable for improving indoor air quality and reducing moisture buildup. Even in smaller wall sections, this dual opening feature ensures effective airflow. Ease of maintenance is also an important consideration. Many modern double-hung windows include tilt-in sashes, allowing homeowners to clean both sides of the glass from inside the home. This is particularly useful for windows installed in tighter or harder-to-reach areas. In a climate like Mandeville's, where humidity and environmental elements can leave residue on windows, this feature adds convenience and helps maintain a clean appearance. Durability is another reason double-hung windows perform well in narrow exterior walls. They are typically constructed with sturdy materials such as vinyl or fiberglass, which resist moisture and temperature changes. In Mandeville, where humidity can affect building materials over time, these windows maintain their shape and function without warping or swelling. This ensures long-term performance even in challenging conditions. Energy efficiency is also a major benefit. Modern double-hung windows are designed with insulated glass and tight seals that help reduce heat transfer. In homes with narrow walls, where insulation space may be limited, having energy-efficient windows becomes even more important. These features help maintain indoor temperatures, reduce energy costs, and improve overall comfort. Another advantage is their versatility in design. Double-hung windows come in a wide range of sizes, finishes, and styles, allowing homeowners to customize their look while still fitting within narrow wall constraints. Whether you prefer a traditional or modern appearance, these windows can be tailored to match your home's exterior without requiring major structural changes. Safety is also enhanced with double-hung windows. The ability to open the top sash while keeping the bottom closed provides ventilation without creating an easily accessible opening at a lower level. This is especially beneficial for families, as it adds an extra layer of security while maintaining airflow. Professional installation is essential to ensure the best results. Proper alignment, sealing, and fitting are critical when working with narrow exterior walls. An experienced installer can ensure that the window fits securely within the limited space, preventing issues such as drafts or moisture intrusion. In addition to functional benefits, double-hung windows help maintain the overall balance and appearance of your home. Their clean, symmetrical design works well in a variety of architectural styles, making them a visually appealing choice even in constrained spaces. In the end, double-hung windows are an ideal solution for homes with narrow exterior walls in Mandeville. Their compact design, efficient operation, and adaptability allow homeowners to overcome space limitations without sacrificing comfort or style. By choosing the right windows and ensuring proper installation, you can enhance both the functionality and appearance of your home while making the most of every available inch.